Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to add watermark to a PDF file. For this we will use the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the tools. Here you can find this watermark button. Tap on it and then select the file you would like to work with. And now you can easily customize the settings for your watermark. It can be an image or it can be a text. Now I will choose the text and here you can write the text. I have already used this, but I will write it again. Just ask me. You can change the font type. You can adjust the size as well, the color, and many others. I will just leave it this way and click on the red button. We will have to wait a few seconds and then we will check what happened. It can be useful because most often it's quite fast and then you can easily share your file. But let's see. You can see the watermark here in each page. Alright, so then we can do whatever we want to with this file. I hope it will be useful for you as well, and have a wonderful day.